Hello, Matthews Gatos here. In this video, we're going to look at how to solve problems with multiple right triangles. My big tip for you in this is when you have two triangles that share a common side or angle, that common side or angle majority of the time will be used in your calculation. So let's get started with this question here. So I want to solve for GH to the nearest tenth. So GH in this triangle is opposite side F. So that's what I'm trying to solve for. And when I look at those two triangles put together, I see that this is a common side. So if I could find that common side using the bottom triangle, it will help me find the missing side in the upper triangle. So what I'm going to do is I am going to solve for side E in the bottom triangle. So looking at my angle, I have a 41-degree angle. This side here is opposite. This side here is hypotenuse. Well, using SOHCAHTOA, I know that sine uses opposites and hypotenuses. So let's write this out. Sine of 41 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 41 is equal to opposite 8.5 over hypotenuse, which is E. So since we know the angle, this is a cross multiply and divide question. So in my calculator, I would just punch in 1 times 8.5 divided by sine of 41. So in doing that, I get that side E is equal to 12.95, etc. Now, I'm going to use the unrounded value in my next calculation. Don't round until the end, because if you round, as you go along, you create cascading error. So now that we know side E, we're going to say that that is approximately, we'll call it 13, but we're not going to use 13. We're going to use the unrounded value. So to solve for side F, if we look at angle 17, I have a side that is adjacent, and I have an hypotenuse as well. So I'm going to use adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. So writing that out, cosine of 17 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine of 17 degrees is equal to adjacent, which is our side F, over hypotenuse, which is 13, but we're going to use the unrounded value, which is 12.95, etc. So just keep that number on your calculator. So put this over 1, solving for side F, I'm going to do cross multiply and divide, and I can just put that into my calculator. So I do cos of 17 multiplied by my unrounded value, and that would be side F. So they wanted to the nearest tenth, so I'm going to say that side F is 12.4, and my units are inches. So hopefully that video helped explain how to use multiple triangles to solve for a missing side. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up so I can help more mathies just like you, and I look forward to seeing you for the next one.